Hi, in this video we'll show you how to connect Outgrow with Slack, so your leads are shared in real time and your team never misses an opportunity. Start by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and opening the content piece you want to integrate. Inside the builder, head over to the Configure tab and open Integrations. Under Native Integrations, find Slack and click on Configure. A pop-up window will appear asking you to authorize the connection. Once the window opens, log into your Slack account and grant the necessary permissions. This allows Outgrow to send lead data directly into your Slack workspace. After authorization, you'll return to Outgrow, where you can define how you want to send your data. You can choose to send leads directly to a Slack channel or organize them using segments. If you proceed with a channel, simply select the Slack channel where you want your leads to appear. This is perfect for keeping your sales or marketing team instantly updated. If you choose segments, you can map specific groups of users based on outcomes or responses to different Slack channels. There's also an option to enable a visit trigger, which lets you send visitor-level data to Slack. Just keep in mind that if no lead information is captured, no data will be pushed. Next comes field mapping. This is where you define exactly what information gets sent to Slack. Depending on your plan, you can map basic lead details or go deeper and include responses, scores, and other custom data from your content. Once everything is mapped, go ahead and test the connection. A confirmation message will indicate that your integration is active. If needed, you can also enable double opt-in via email or SMS in the final setup step. Before making it live, it's always a good idea to run a quick test. Submit a sample response through your content. Then click on Task History to check your leads. You should see the new lead appear along with the mapped details. If everything looks correct, your integration is working perfectly. Once everything looks good, publish the changes. And that's it. Your integration is now fully set up. Now your leads aren't just collected, they're instantly visible, actionable, and shared with the right people. With Outgrow and Slack working together, your team stays in the loop and ready to act in real time. Ready to keep your team instantly in the loop? Start your 7-day free trial with Outgrow and share leads in real time effortlessly.